Hello people, this is Sabah Naqvi, a Delhi-based journalist. I'm making this video recording because over the last few days we have seen very troubling accounts of vegetable vendors of a particular community not being allowed to sell their wares in parts of India. A daily newspaper today has a story how in Gujarat patients were separated in a COVID ward on the basis of their religion. Now, I just want to make one comment to all of you. Does anyone know which is the pharmaceutical company which is going to develop drugs to tackle COVID? Do you out there know what the name of that company is? One of the big companies is a company called Cipla. Do you know who the owner of that company is? None of you do, right? The name is Yusuf Khwaja Hamid. He's a scientist, a businessman, and that company is going to develop. Do you know there's another big pharmaceutical company in India? It's called Wockhardt. Look it up, who the owner of Wockhardt is. I mean, I'll give you a challenge, the haters out there. Do you know who has made one of the largest donations to fight COVID? Look up who is Azim Premji. What is Wipro? Since all of you out there are so full of hate, you may know who Shah Rukh Khan is. Of course you know who Shah Rukh Khan is. He's one of India's biggest stars. 50,000 protection kits are going to be organized by Shah Rukh Khan's trust foundation. They're feeding people. But yet, you want to attack Muslims day in and day out. You want to abuse them. You want A.R. Rahman to disappear from India. You want Javed Akhtar to stop writing those lyrics. What do you want? Should the Taj Mahal evaporate? Should we all just go? Think about it.